Hey Tim, it's Joe Galisic here again, N3HEE. I figured it'd be easier for me just to do a video to show you what's going on here with this noise on 160. I actually found this because I was trying to see what the noise level was into a dummy load, just the base noise line, and started to see these spikes pop up. Right now, the antenna 1, receive antenna, or antenna 1 right here, is connected to a dummy load through a very short piece of coax. However, it doesn't matter. I can take those off the rig. I can short this out. I can do anything I want, and I still get the noise here. You can see that this is quite loud. I'll just turn the volume up a bit. A very strong noise there at 1837, and then some spikes up in here. The interesting thing is that depending on the RF gain levels, these will all change. There's -8, 0, +8, +16, and you can see that when the preamp's at +32, we see even more. But do you notice what happens here is when wideband kicks in, when I slide this over and the wideband will kick in, the noise is still there at -32, but if I start to back off the preamp, the noise starts to go away. I don't know if this is from a preamp. There's +8, and at +8 in wide mode, all this has gone away. This persistent spike here at 1836 or 37 stays, and then we have another one here at about 1826 that also stays no matter what. Another interesting thing is if we bring this back, and I'll keep the preamp, or I'll move the preamp to +16 just so we can see these better. But if I switch the antenna inputs, transfer to B, we see that goes down, everything changes. Receive A, back up again. But here's the interesting thing. If I go to receive B, it dramatically reduces it. But if I go to antenna input 1 again, it gets even less on the main spike. These spurs up here stay about the same. So something's changing here when I'm changing antenna inputs. I can make that come back again by going to A, and that goes right back up to a very strong signal again. So I just want to bring this to your attention. It looks like it's being generated internal to the radio. Somehow it's getting that signal. I don't know where this is coming from. I've disconnected the network cords. I've disconnected the antenna. I've shorted the antenna at antenna jack 1. I've unplugged everything else on the radio. The key input, have some powered speakers connected. So I'm thinking this is coming somewhere internal to the radio. When I'm running just a straight antenna, this is my 160 meter antenna. We can see that the noise level, obviously, was not aware of these other signals, but even with the antenna connected, let me back the gain down a little bit here. Even with the antenna connected, I'm still getting quite a strong signal at this 1837 frequency. This noise down here I'm aware of. This noise here is coming through the antenna. I think this bit right here is coming from my computer. I've had this on my K3 as well. I've always had this noise on 160 in this environment. I've never had this noise here or those noise spikes, which are even more troubling. So just wanted to bring this to your attention and see what you guys think about this. I've not tried any other bands. 160 was all I've tried this on because I'm really concentrating on 160 now. I do a lot of work on 160 and I've been starting to pay close attention to the radio on 160 as far as its performance. So let me know what you guys think. Talk to you later.